Hey, I picked up the Flume 2 smart water sensor because I wanted some extra peace of mind just to kind of monitor the water usage in my home, possibly detecting small leaks, a major leak when I'm not home, or maybe even something as simple as a toilet running. Setting this up is so easy. Here's the Wi-Fi bridge that you are going to plug into an outlet. Just make sure this is within range to the water meter that your sensor will strap onto. The water sensor itself comes with batteries. You just need to connect them to power up the unit. You then simply strap the water sensor onto your water meter. Just make sure your water meter is compatible with the sensor. Most modern water meters are. The sensor will then automatically connect to the bridge, and you can see all of your data in the free app. The app is intuitive and easy to use. It gives you real-time data on your water usage. You can also track how much water you are using by the day, week, month, and year. The water leak alerts are also customizable to fit your preferences. So overall, I love the simplicity of installation. I don't have to do any plumbing work. It just straps right onto my pipe. I really love the app, how intuitive it is and easy to use. And I really like how I have real-time data on my phone and I can monitor my water usage, and it will also hopefully detect water leaks.